Our first really heartwarming situation was when a little girl came to the club and asked if she could join. They had a can opener that they opened their can for food, and the service stations were their hygiene.
It's important because I know that there are less fortunate families, and it's just a great experience to get together with some of the ladies and be able to bless others that are less fortunate.
It's a different feeling on this end to give and to have my kids see what it feels like to give those who are less fortunate. It's a great opportunity for all of us.
I mean, how could you not become involved with a club that could help a child like that?